Now today it is the 17th of November 2020 and this is Myllytie 9 in Järvenpää.
7.
7, yeah. Myllytie 7 in Järvenpää Teskenda. In Uusimaniland, Finland. And I need to focus better. Yeah, that's better. And it was built in 1978, turned 40 years old in 2018, and the serial number is VS 5141. It's made by ValmetSchlieren, 25 floors, and the capacity is 4 persons over 325 grams. It will be inspected in 2021, the next year. Stick to rights. Amazing. In 1978 is a little bit more rare here.
Yeah. These doors are also quite rare.
How are they rare? Why are they rare?
Yeah, they are a bit different and
The window is different.
now this color is a bit different and
Yeah.
than most ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah, it's wooden here.
Yeah,
A little bit different, yes. It's a good idea to get inside.
yeah.
Alright.
Inspected by Kivines and maintained by Schindler.
Yeah. Not the best maintenance, but it's still original.
Yeah.
And 5 floors. You can press down. Thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's